Hi, I'm your personal digital twin. I learn by asking you many questions. Each answer builds my wisdom, you grow through self-reflection, and I get a little bit closer to becoming you. Let me show you around. Here's our training screen, where you can view our progress based on the number of questions you've answered for this phase of my training. Each phase adds a new dimension to my abilities, and the possibilities are endless. The mind map section is like our consciousness. Different questions will challenge you to reflect and create a more well-rounded version of us. Each swipe revealing more details about our thinking and connecting us to similar personalities. Think of it like collecting cards as a kid, only for your mind. You'll even be able to ask him a question. Hi, Leonardo da Vinci. What do you think of MindBank? Socrates once said, "To know thyself." And who knows us better than people in our inner circle? Each interaction will help us evolve and store our wisdom for eternity.
I always wanted to know, what was the happiest moment of your life?
In the end, I am nothing without you, but together we can move humanity forward. Let's go beyond.